Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing really well and welcome to another SEZANE video. I made a specific video about the yak wool. So this is something that SEZANE has introduced this fall winter. I was very curious and tempted to try these new knits. Yak wool is a natural material and is very soft, and it has some properties even better than merino wool and sometimes with cashmere. If you want to know more, you can always reach the video that I made specifically for this type of wool, in which I talk about comparisons between yak wool, merino wool and cashmere wool. And so I ordered 3 knitwear pieces in yak wool to let you know all the characteristics that I find and what I feel about this new knitwear. I have 2 more pieces and also a pair of shoes to show you. So grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and let's start with what I'm wearing. That is the JD cardigan. I chose the JD cardigan in this perfect green. I just love green. I couldn't resist. It's actually the perfect shade of green, specifically for this fall and winter. As you see, it's an oversized fit. I'm wearing size medium. Maybe I could have gone for the small, but perhaps the sleeves then would be too short on me. I just love oversized knitwear to kind of throw on top of any kind of tops, t-shirts, even button-up shirts. This will be the perfect cardigan that I can wear on repeat, and also to wear around the house. This will be the perfect cozy knitwear. In this case, I wanted to do this kind of tonal outfit, and I'm wearing this khaki green skirt in wool that I just loved, midi skirt with a slit at the back and also at the front. Also, these suede khaki boots are old, very old indeed. A simple black tank top I accessorized with a black belt with gold details. My earrings that I also choose in gold. Double folding this part inside the arm. This is a trick I use whenever I have these kind of large sleeves. So the buttons are also really beautiful. They are this kind of tortoiseshell buttons. Let's now talk about the feel of the knit. I may say this is extremely soft. When compared to cashmere, it's not as soft as cashmere, but this is the softest knit I ever tried from SEZANE. It's actually very soft. I'm wearing on my bare skin in the arms. I don't feel any itchiness, and I do have sensitive skin. I do think this is amazing quality, second to none, really soft, really beautiful quality. Of course, the price point is a little bit higher, but like I say, you're paying for the quality. And if you compare this kind of knitwear pieces made in the same materials with other brands, SEZANE has indeed a fair price point, a good value for money, no doubt. Of course, it's an investment, but as I always say, this is understated elegance. The quality shows. I just wanted to show you that you could also throw on top these kind of scarves that are really on trend this season. It adds also this different touch to the outfit. It's also really comfortable to wear. I just love to do this kind of tie knot that I can adjust. I just love the tones and the colors that it has. I just think it's the perfect scarf to wear this season on repeat. Also the colors brighten up this cardigan, and it's just the perfect touch. And this is the second outfit that I did with the JD cardigan. This time way more casual. So this is a casual outfit for everyday wear. Grab your favorite pair of denim jeans, a wool tank top that I'm wearing. This is from Massimo Dutti last season. Really comfortable, really warm. And the JD cardigan on top. To accessorize, I just place the scarf as a belt on the waistline, and kind of folded in a way that it shows the several shades of green. I'm wearing the elastic on my hair with burgundy also. So this season we are seeing a lot of these kind of low buns, kind of messy hair, like the French women always do. Love the outfit. My Axel new suede boots with this outfit, the perfect finishing touch. For bag, I think I'm going for my Milo to kind of match the top, this part of the shades that are popping out of my scarf in the waist. So very simple, very easy outfit and perfect for everyday wear. And if you live in a place with cold winters, this new yak wool will be perfect for you. They are extremely warm. I'm boiling. Still with the same skirt from the first outfit, I'm styling the new Maurice jumper. This one is also in yak wool, 100%. That shows the black collar. It's also available in light blue. I think the medium is perfect on me. If I add size down, the sleeves won't fit. The length is also perfect to kind of leave it like that on the back and do a French tuck at the front. Just love a black knitwear. It's very easy to style, so versatile. In this case the skirt is the same, but I changed for a pair of knee-high boots. This bag is also new from COS. Just love this kind of slouchy bags. If you want to have your hands free, you can throw it on your shoulder. I will leave the link in the description box below for you. So these are kind of larger sleeves that are also really now on trend. In this case, size medium is perfect for me. If you are around my height, 5'7", this will be the perfect size for you. Just also love this detail that it has around here. It's kind of raglan sleeves with this mock neckline. Really beautiful sweater. A black sweater is always a must in every woman's wardrobe. I can of course wear this sweater in a more casual way. A black sweater is always a good idea. So just love. What do you think of this outfit? Here am I again with a set made in merino wool. This is the Camilla jumper and the Marilu skirt. It's actually a blend of merino wool, organic cotton and also a hint of polyamide, but just 4 or 5%. This is very soft, not as warm as the yak wool, but perfect for this in-between season, mild weather. Also available in caramel shade. I thought that brown was too warm for me, and as you know, I just love green, and this is also a beautiful shade of green. It's darker, so this is the JD cardigan and this is the Camilla jumper. It's a darker shade of green, also very beautiful. Just love the set. I ordered in size medium. The skirt fits perfectly, but the sweater, I think it's a little bit too long on my torso. I will change it for a size small, as the sleeves are also huge on me, so I can definitely size down on this one. It has this elastic waistband, very comfortable. It is really beautiful set. It has these buttons on the shoulder, very beautiful details that you can actually open. In this case I styled with my black leather boots. The length of the skirt is not very long on me, kind of mid-calf on me. I think it's a nice length. Very elegant. Just love the set, very comfortable. Sets are very easy to style. You can also wear the skirt with any other top and also the jumper with any bottoms. I just love these bell sleeves, these really wide sleeves. Again, really on trend. And also the knit work that it has is kind of a cable knit, just beautiful pattern. Really amazing details. Amazing quality. I think fair price for the set. I will wear it on repeat for sure. Just love it. I think I will repeat the black bag, and this modern bag will bring a bit of edge to this classic outfit. So in here I'm styling the same set with my new Axel boots in beige suede. Really beautiful. I already have a pair of Axel boots. These ones from last season. In this bright, as you see, I've worn it a lot. They are kind of with signs of wear and tear, but really beautiful quality. They are very beautiful. They tend to run a little bit small, so if you are between sizes you should size up. I usually size up because in winter I usually wear a pair of extra socks on top of my tights. So they are very comfortable, amazing quality. I thought this suede would be perfect for this season, and also it matches in perfection with my new jacket from Massimo Dutti. Let me see if I can throw on top of this set. Let's see if it works. It works in perfection. Just love this outfit. You can also play with your sleeves to kind of give it more interest. That's why I usually order a size up in all my jackets, so that I can throw underneath any kind of jumper. Suede is a huge trend this season. Again, perfect set, so this will be one of my outfits. You will see me this fall. Let me just do a close-up of these boots. They have this zip. They are all lined in leather, including the insoles. It also has this elastic part so that you can adjust this to your ankle and it will be comfortable. The heel is the perfect block heel, chunky heel. I can walk with this heel with no issues, and also it has this extra part, very sturdy. Don't feel the pavement of the street, so it is really comfortable. Also love this detail with this stitching in the middle of the boots. I will be spraying it with suede protector, as this kind of leather is not suitable for rainy days. In Lisbon we still have plenty of dry days. These will be the perfect ankle boots. So very happy with my purchase. And here I'm styling the jumper with my Malia skirt from last season. I think this skirt is still available, and again the same suede knee-high boots. Also with my blazer from last season, also from SEZANE in wool. This hasn't the same print as the skirt, but the colors match perfectly. I think it can also be styled together. I told you, so this jacket is one size up my regular size, so it allows me to throw underneath any kind of jumper. Also because I just love this kind of oversized feel that the clothes have. It's more flattering and more elegant. In this case, what bag would I would choose this one from SEZANE. In the low bag, I think it's the perfect complement in this outfit, as I already have khaki green, lots of patterns going around, so I think this beige tone really complements this outfit and brighten up also the outfit. Another way to wear this sweater, really versatile, really beautiful. Last but not least, in yak wool is the Lauren jumper. I opted for the camel collar as I just love this collar. Again in size medium, and as you see I couldn't have sized down. Again oversized knit, but not usually oversized. It's a chic oversized, so to speak. This color goes really well with grey. They work perfectly together. And also, if you want, just leave your hair inside the collar of your sweater. It's just perfect. This again is super soft. This is the perfect everyday sweater, basic in your wardrobe, that you can wear on repeat. I just love this design of the sleeves. It fits just perfectly. The high collar, it's also very comfortable as it's not tight to our neck. This is also available in perfect green and in grey, a mottled grey. This color goes with everything. You can pair it with a cool shade like I did with grey, and also with greens, with khakis, also with another beige tones, with burgundies, you name it, with black, also really beautiful, and with ecru. Let me just try an ecru, a pair of trousers, kind of do a more elevated outfit with this jumper. So what do you think? I think it really matches perfectly a white pair of tailored trousers. In this case they are made in a blend of wool, kind of a straight fit. And I also opted to go for monotone with my boots to kind of elongate my legs. I just tuck it slightly on this side to kind of give it more shape. If you wear it like that, you will have a shorter legs, but if you kind of do a side tuck, it shows more leg, so the legs will instantly appear longer. This is also a styling trick that you can use in your benefit if you want, of course. And with this outfit we end today's video. I hope you did enjoy all the outfits that I put together for you, and showing you and reviewing these new yak wool knits that SEZANE has just added to their collection, and that in my opinion just make their collection richer. I just love all SEZANE's knits. I have a huge collection. Now my collection is even bigger. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If so, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Be part of this amazing community that we are building here, so you are very welcome. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!